Welcome to In 5 Minutes. We take problem on torsion and we take problem on comparison of solid and hollow shafts. A problem statement is a solid shaft is required to transmit 330 kW of power at 120 rpm. The shear stress of material is not to exceed 80 Newton per mm square. Find the diameter of the shaft required. If the above shaft is to be replaced by a hollow shaft with diameter ratio 3:5 and maximum shear stress remains unchanged, calculate the percentage saving of material that could be obtained. So we see that this problem could be divided into two parts. In the first part, they have asked to determine the diameter of a solid shaft which transmits 330 kW of power at 120 rpm and the shear stress is not to exceed 80 Newton per mm square. Whereas in the second part, they have asked that if the solid shaft is replaced by a hollow shaft with a diameter ratio of 3:5 and the maximum shear stress remains unchanged, that is your 80 Newton per mm square, what would be the percentage saving of the material that could be obtained by the use of this hollow shaft instead of solid shaft. So we first draw a representative figure of the problem. So we show the representative figure of this solid shaft whose diameter is d1 and length L, which is being subjected to some torque T due to the power of 330 kW being transmitted. Now in the first part, we have to determine this diameter d1. Whereas in the second part, we see that if this solid shaft is replaced by this hollow shaft of outer diameter capital D and small diameter small d, whereas the length being unchanged and is subjected to the same torque T, what would be the percentage saving of the material? Now we see that percentage saving of the material is nothing but percentage change or percentage saved in the volume of the material. Now the length of the shaft being same, the percentage saved in the volume of the material will be equal to the percentage saved in the cross-sectional area of the material. So first, let's note all the given data. Now we see that in part 1, we have a solid shaft. Power being transmitted is 330 kW. So this is equal to 330 into 10 to the power 3 watts. N is 120 rpm and maximum shear stress tau m of solid is 80 Newton per mm square. We use the suffix S for solid shaft. Whereas in the part 2, we have hollow shaft replacing the solid shaft such that your maximum permissible shear stress of hollow shaft is same as that of maximum permissible shear stress of solid shaft, which is equal to 80 Newton per mm square. We use the suffix capital H for hollow shaft. And in this problem, we have been asked to find, in first part, we have to determine the diameter of the solid shaft, that is d1. Whereas in second part, we have to determine the percentage saving of material. Now we see that to find out the percentage saving of material, we actually have to first determine two diameters of this hollow shaft, that is capital D and small d. So now let's solve the problem. So we start with the solution. We first solve the part 1. Now we know power transmitted by a solid shaft is given as P is equal to 2 pi Nt by 60. So upon substituting the values of power and N, we have 330 into 10 to the power 3 is equal to 2 pi then 120 rpm multiplied by T upon 60. So upon solving this, we get the value of torque T as 26.26 into 10 to the power 3. The unit will be Newton meter. So converting into Newton mm, we have your torque T is equal to 26.26 into 10 to the power 6 Newton mm. Since nothing is mentioned about your maximum torque, we consider your maximum torque Tm is same as that of mean torque T, which is equal to 26.26 into 10 to the power 6 Newton mm.